Hey guys, Rob here. I'm back at the location I was at, I think 3 weeks ago. It's close to Little River State Park, outside of Waterbury, Vermont. And yeah, I just need to put my gloves on. It is bitter cold. If you can hear the river, the water flowing in the background down here, it's raging. So, yeah. Yeah, my Toyota finally paid off. Finally. Yeah. I'm gonna go for a quick walk. Same location, I just don't want to go far. I'm gonna zoom on here and take my glove off, zoom in. There we go. Zoom! Yeah, I do have a video from here earlier in the springtime of this year. I think it was like April or May. And I did see something, caught something on film right in this area. I just haven't uploaded it yet. Yeah. Let me see if we can get focus on the side of the hill up here. Yeah, the wind is blowing. There. I can hear the waterfall raging. Alright, let me zoom out for now. Zoom out. There we go. Yeah, this time of year, all the bears in the area should be in dens, hibernating, but I'm not quite sure, so that's why I'm kind of weary about bears still. Someone's been down here with a dog. There's footprints. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a boot track, and there. Yeah, someone's been up here. I think probably today, earlier today. Yeah, I did go up the mountain, but literally it was like 10 degrees Fahrenheit, and the wind chill was really bad. I'm just trying to listen. I really need to save it for a really nice vlogging camera. This my cell phone ain't gonna do it for much longer, I tell you. Yeah, I would say it's like 20 degrees right here. Yeah, someone had a dog up here. Yeah, check the waterfall out. It's moving pretty fast. I don't know if I can get a good shot of it or not. I have to go up here. There you go. Waterfall in the background. It's about, I don't know, 3:30, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, something like that. I'm hearing a bird or something. Birds chirping. Hold on. Let me zoom in here. I'm trying to hold it steady. My hands are cold. I'm gonna go here. Yeah. Broke here. Alright, I'm gonna go up a little bit here. I don't know what that bird is. It's like, I don't know, whatever, I don't know. I can't tell really. Yeah, I saw something last time in this area where that tree's leaning. Man. Yeah, sorry for the unsteady hands. It's just really cold. I'm gonna zoom out so it's better to see. There you go. Yeah, I can definitely tell someone's been up here. Yeah. Yeah, I thought I heard something snapping up in the woods. Branches breaking or something. Yeah, this used to be an old logging trail, I believe. Yeah. Yeah, that keeps going. It's just too cold. I ain't gonna go any farther than this, really. Cold air is making it hard for me to breathe. Sit down here. That's actually a good place to sit right here. A little sitting spot. Yeah. Yeah, the road is right here. Let me check this out real quick. Here. Yeah. Now this is just weird how this is positioned. This tree right here. Let me get closer here. One right here, and it's like broken off. Right there, it's just still hanging. And it's going up this way. Into here. See, here. That's one snap. And then this right here, I was like leaning on top of that one. And that's a bit, I don't know, suspicious, honestly. Yeah. Got that tree down there. That's a nice big break. That's most likely natural. It maybe been hit by something, I don't know. But I'm on 12 minutes. Yeah. I'm not really hearing anything but water. Trying to scope everything here. I didn't even realize this. This tree is leaning. Look at this right here. This little one. Right up and over. See that? Yeah. I just barely noticed it. Yeah. Get close up here, yeah. I just hear their crow. Alright, I'm gonna head back down. My hands are like ice cold even with the gloves on. Even with the gloves on, like fucking brr. Woo! And it's a bit slippery. The ground is now frozen. Yeah. Whew. Nose is starting to run. Yeah. Down in here. Yeah. I really just need to come up here in that spring and summertime. It's like really, really warm. Yeah. I bet you that water is just above freezing. Maybe like 35 degrees. There is some ice forming on that tree right there. On the bottom here. Ice, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I can see ice down there too, underneath that bridge. That tree leaning over. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna get back to the car and warm up because I'm just like really cold. There you go. Here. Alright. I'm gonna head back. Yeah, it's been almost 20 minutes. Whew. My nose is cold. Dun, 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 dun. Just listen in the background. That water's flowing big time. Yeah, I'm shooting this. Yeah, it's probably not a good idea to film with my phone camera out in this cold because it's gonna probably kill the battery. Yeah, some ice up here, yeah, on the top of the water here. Man, I need to zoom in on this here. Way up here. I swear I just saw something up there. I just couldn't tell what the hell it is. Like right in here in that area. At the top there. Alright guys, that's it. I'm cold enough. I just can't tell if there's just something up there or not. One last look over, around. Yoda! Alright guys, like, leave a comment, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya!